Alright, so I have this green cell foam by Nice Packaging, and I wanted to see how it dissolves. So first it says that you have to remove the film, and then you can dissolve this foam in water or compost it. So let's see what happens. I'm going to go ahead and take it out of this bagging, packaging, what have you. Alright, so that's pretty simple. Ooh, I'm out of line here. You can't see what I'm doing. Here we go. Then I have another one here. So I guess the film is a number 4. So tell me in the comments what you think number 4 means. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and finish unpacking this. As you can hear, I'm outside and it's a rainy day. There's another one. Boom, boom, boom. Another one bites dust. Alright, so I like that, you know, I was sent this right here, this foam, because a lot of companies will send you styrofoam, and what do you do with that? It goes to waste, right? So I'll be right back, and we're going to take this somewhere to dissolve it in water.
Ooh, I'm so excited, y'all. Alright, moment of truth here. Okay, so it has green cell foam. I'm going to save this. Ooh, take this to picnics and stuff. Oh, all this is reusable. This right here. Okay, so it has the cold packs.
Alright, so I'm actually going to take this to a corner of my yard, and so it can dissolve in the rain. Hopefully this won't ruin my camera. But yeah, so walking, and we're walking towards the back. Alright. Alright, you can see we still got plenty of walnuts. So if anybody lives in my neighborhood and you want walnuts, just let me know. You know how to reach me. We're in a small town, so everybody know everybody. Alright. So, you know what? I'm going to see what happens if I put it in this puddle. I want to put one in the puddle. Okay, you ready, y'all? It's just floating. It's just floating in the puddle. Huh. Let me flip it over. Still just floating. It's not dissolving. I just thought it would be like just dissolve, like I don't know what. Alright, be right back. Alright, so I went ahead and just placed these in the backyard. You know, hopefully they won't blow away. They shouldn't. They're kind of like in a corner. And we'll see how they compost over time. Alright, and if they do blow away, they're supposed to dissolve, so it shouldn't be a problem. And it's raining today, so it should weight them down. Alright, so I'll do a follow-up video on that. Alright, so back to this one. It's actually starting to dissolve. You see that? So you may wonder what this has to do with cooking. Well, one thing, you know, in every part of our lives, we should consider how we are affecting our environment. You know, and a lot of times, you know, if we order food offline, they send them in styrofoam packages. And so it's good when you find a company that can send you stuff that has the least impact on the environment, right? So yeah, that's really dissolving. See that? Yeah, it's dissolving. Ooh, I can't even pick it up. Ew, it feels gross. So look what it's like, a paste now. Ew. I know my videos are becoming gross anymore, right? Is that right, Yan Man? Is this going to stop you from ordering food online now? No, I'm just messing. Anyway, but yeah, ugh, look at it. It's becoming a paste. I almost fell over into that puddle. Oh my god. I mean, oh my goodness. Look at it. So yeah, it's completely dissolving. Look at that. Wow. I'm surprised. So yeah, my camera's getting kind of wet here. I'm trying to protect it as much as possible, but it's getting wet. And probably my neighbors are wondering what I'm doing in the alley, playing in a puddle. Look at this. I'm gonna go wash my hands, I promise. But yeah, it's turning into like soapy in a way. You see? So yeah, it is dissolving. So this will be completely dissolved. Wow. I just kind of go into the soil. So out of curiosity, I decided to head back to the back and see what happened to that phone. So it's kind of late. It's dark, getting dark early now. So anyway, look at the foam. Oh my goodness. Look at it. It's already breaking down in the rain. Look at that. That's crazy. So there is some pink stuff on that. And that's from these berries that are hanging overhead of it. Those are from the poke. Then I also have some morning glories. Look at the heart-shaped leaves. Those are so pretty, but they're considered a weed. Morning glories are. Look, it even has a flower still open. Because usually it's only in the mornings that they open. But look at that. It's already dissolving. So let's go over here to the one that I put in the puddle. So look at this. It's in the puddle. And it's just kind of spread out. So that's crazy. How it'll dissolve to nothing. There's like a piece there. There's some there. Yeah, I mean, it really spread out along the puddle. Wow, that's amazing. Let me see, that was probably about 3 hours ago I put this out here. It's crazy. Alright, let me get back in. Come on, Rex, let's go. So, like I was saying before, y'all, I'm so close to the 1,000 subscribers. It's taken me over 3 years to get to this point. So please like, subscribe, share, stick around and watch more videos, and I'll see y'all next time.